Phone assembly. Remove battery. With the device facing down, use the notch on the top right side of the device to remove the back plate. Use the notch on the bottom of the battery to remove the battery. Remove or insert SIM. A nano SIM card is included with your device. When a SIM is not installed in the device, the No SIM icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The primary SIM tray is labeled SIM1. To insert a SIM, insert the nano SIM card into the SIM1 tray with the gold contacts facing down and the notch to the top right. To remove a SIM, use the metal slider on top of the SIM1 tray to slide the SIM down. Then use your fingers to pull the SIM out of the tray. Remove or insert memory card. For additional storage, insert a micro SD card. With the device face down and the battery removed, insert the SD card into the SD card tray, which is located above the SIM1 tray. Ensure that the gold contacts are facing down and the notch is to the top right. To remove an SD card, use your fingers to slide the SD card down and out of the SD card tray. Insert battery. With the back plate removed, line up the gold contacts on the top right of the battery with the gold contacts on the device. Ensure that the battery is firmly in place. Reattach the back plate and gently press the corners until it clicks into place.